Prestressed concrete beams are used in many bridges across Texas. The American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials, or AASHTO, provides strength requirements for these beams based on past tests, but advancements in concrete materials have brought about the need to re-examine the specifications. The Texas Department of Transportation and researchers with Texas A&M University have looked at the minimum shear reinforcement requirements for pre-stressed concrete beams to determine their accuracy and develop design guidelines that could lower costs and speed up bridge construction.
As we progress in the field and we have new materials, for example, high-strength concrete, we have high-strength steel. Also, we have larger members, larger cross-sections. There is a natural need to reevaluate if those requirements that have been based on I would say, older designs are still valid, or if we should look at those again and refine them.
So we felt it is needed to take the advantage of this advancement to revisit the minimum shear reinforcement requirement that we use to design reinforced concrete beams. If we are able to do that, that could lead to significant savings, and that can also help us to have a better approach in designing bridges in the state of Texas.
There was one part of the research that was data analysis and model development. So that was essentially analyzing a database. The other part was finite element analysis, because there we realized that we need to expand our database, and we realized that we definitely need to do some testing. However, the testing is much more expensive, so we need to be careful to select, to investigate, I would say, the most important variations. So a portion of this extra case evaluation was done in the lab, and we tested actually 22 designs in 11 girders, and these girders were quite big. So we're talking about 50 feet long girders on average. So quite large specimens. In addition to that, we developed finite element analysis models where we calibrated them with existing test data. And then we use them to run analysis on cases which were not in the database, but were not in the lab either.
In TxDOT, as we continue to strive for quality, as we continue to improve and fine-tune our process of designing bridges, we continually make use of research effort. And from that research, we can come back in the department to refine those research outcomes and see how we can implement it. Because this implementation will bring a lot of cost saving in terms of dollar cost, and also in terms of road user cost, and in terms of a delay that are typically being observed during bridge construction across the state. So that is the major benefit of this research, and it is a continuous effort that we'll continue to improve on.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.